Hello students, welcome to Maths classes. Your question is, find the circumcenter of the triangle whose sides are 3x minus y plus 3 is equals to 0, 3x plus 4y plus 3 is equals to 0, x plus 3y plus 11 is equals to 0 respectively. So, we are given a triangle and triangle ABC with the equation of all the three sides. Let this side is 3x minus y plus 3 is equals to 0. This side is 3x plus 4y plus 3 is equals to 0. And this side is x plus 3y plus 11 is equals to 0. So we are supposed to find out the coordinates of circumcenter. Now what do we mean by circumcenter? Circumcenter is the point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors of the line. तो आपके जो एक ट्राइंगल के तीनों साइड्स के परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर जहां पर मीट करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड द सर्कमसेंटर. तो आप क्या करेंगे? यू आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ अ परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ BC and you are also going to draw a perpendicular bisector of AC. Now the point of intersection P will be the circumcenter. Let P be the circumcenter. Now to find out the circumcenter, we must know the equation. P क्या है? The point of intersection of PM and PN. इन दोनों लाइंस का पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन है. अब PM और PN की इक्वेशन निकालने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टू कंसीडर PM. PM की इक्वेशन निकालने के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? M is the midpoint of BC, so you must know the points B and C, and N is the midpoint of AC, and so for that you must know the coordinates of A and C. So first of all we are going to find out the coordinates A, B and C. Now for A is the point of intersection of these two lines. So solve these two equations. 3x minus y plus 3 is equals to 0 and 3x plus 4y plus 3 is equals to 0. जब आप इसे सॉल्व करेंगे, you can subtract the two equations. This will cancel out, this will also cancel out, and we will get y is equals to 0. और y अगर आपका 0 अगर आप किसी भी इक्वेशन में पुट करते हैं, then 3x plus 3 is equals to 0. x will come out minus 1. So our point A, the coordinates of point A is minus 1, 0. So let us take this point A as minus 1, 0. Now for B, you are going to solve these two equations. For B, solve 3x minus y plus 3 is equals to 0 and x plus 3y plus 11 is equals to 0. इन दोनों को सॉल्व करने के लिए यू कैन चूज एलिमिनेशन. एलिमिनेशन के लिए वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन बाय 3. So by multiplying this first equation by 3 we will get this, and the second equation, write the second equation as it is. Now adding 2, 3y will eliminated, 10x plus 20 is equals to 0. So x will be minus 2, minus 20 by 10, and minus 2 अगर x की वैल्यू किसी भी उसमें minus 2 पुट करते हैं, 3 into minus 2 minus y plus 3 is equals to 0, we will get y is equals to, this is minus 6 plus 3, minus 3 and the coordinates of B will be -2, -3. So write the coordinates of B as -2, -3. Now for C, we are going to solve these two equations, 3x plus 4y plus 3 is equals to 0 and x plus 3y plus 11 is equals to 0. Here also we can choose elimination method. सेकेंड इक्वेशन को आप 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. राइट द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन एज इट इज. सेकेंड को आप 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. Now subtracting, we will get -5y -30 is equals to 0. So y will be -6. Y will be -6. Now substituting the value of y in any of the equation, we can take second equation. Your x will be -18 plus 11 -7. So x will be 7 and your coordinates of C are 7 minus 6. So let us take the coordinates of C are as 7 minus 6. Now we already know the coordinates of A, B and C. Now M is the midpoint of A, B and C. So M is equals to -2 plus 7 upon 2 and -3 -6 upon 2. So the coordinates of M are 5 by 2 and -9 by 2. अब इक्वेशन ऑफ PM आप इजीली निकाल सकते हैं. इक्वेशन ऑफ PM के लिए, क्योंकि PM सिंस PM इज परपेंडिकुलर टू दिस लाइन x plus 3y plus 11 is equals to 0. Therefore, the equation of PM will be 3x minus y plus lambda is equals to 0. Now this line PM passes through M. Now the PM passes through M. तो ये M इसको सेटिस्फाई करेगा. y की को आप क्या लिख सकते हैं, -9 by 2 प्लस लैम्डा इज इक्वल्स टू 0. तो लैम्डा की वैल्यू आपके पास क्या आ गई, सो लैम्डा विल बी इक्वल्स टू, दिस इज 24 by 2. 15 plus 9 is 24 by 2. This is 12. So lambda is -12. तो लैम्डा की वैल्यू अगर आप पुट करते हैं, देन इक्वेशन ऑफ PM विल बी 3x minus y minus 12 is equals to 0. Similarly, you can find the equation of Pn. Pn के लिए you are going to first find out n, and n is the midpoint of A and C. -1 plus 7 upon 2, 0 minus 6 upon 2. So this is 6 upon 2, that is 3, minus 6 upon 2, minus 3. Now since Pn is perpendicular to this line, the line 3x plus 4y plus 3 is equals to 0. So equation of Pn will become 4x minus 3y plus mu is equals to 0. Now Pn passes through n. Since Pn passes through n, तो n इसको सेटिस्फाई करेगा इस इक्वेशन को, and you will get the value of mu. So mu is equals to 21 minus 21. तो mu की वैल्यू जब आप इसके अंदर पुट करेंगे then equation of Pn will become 4x minus 3y minus 21 is equals to 0. अब Pm और Pn की इक्वेशन आने के बाद what is P? P is the point of intersection of Pm and Pn. तो सॉल्व कर सकते हो आप Pm और Pn को एक साथ. Pm is this and Pn is 4x minus 3y minus 21 is equals to 0. And for that you can use elimination. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को आप 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. You will get 9x minus 3y minus 36 is equals to 0. And the second equation is 4x minus 3y minus 21 is equals to 0. Subtracting this equation, we will get, this will cancel out, 5x 36 minus, this is minus 15 is equals to 0, or we can say that x is equals to 3. तो x is equals to 3 किसी भी आप इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, you will get the value of y. 9 minus 12 is minus 3, so y is equals to minus 3. So the coordinates of P are x is 3 and y is minus 3. So our circumcenter is 3 minus 3.